Hey, I'm Shannon Aikau. I'm back again. Friday night shenanigans. And we're starting to strip this bike down. So first things first, take the battery out. We don't want no, accidents and weld things together because that's what you normally do. You take the battery out.
Okay.
First, you
Okay.
gotta disconnect the battery, or else you could have catastrophic events.
No frying on a Friday night.
We're frying like right now. I mean,
Fried.
yeah. No.
Let's make this happen though.
Fried chicken, maybe. Fried chicken would be good.
Right now, yep.
Thank God for power tools. That's all I gotta say.
So there's one on this side.
Yep. That side. This is
Yep.
back bolt right there.
Okay. You want that?
Yep. See this beautiful seat pan? It's actually the seat. There is nothing else on here. Maybe later on I'll put like some snaps on here and we'll put like an ass pad on it or something.
That would be handy. So tell me, when you're taking apart a bike,
Yep.
you're taking the bolts out. What do you do with the bolts and the parts to make sure you can put that shit back together?
You try not to lose them.
Okay. How do you do that? What's your technique?
My technique?
Yeah.
Is put them all in one place.
Okay.
Or find like a box or something to put them in. Can you see anything in here to put them in? For right now, we'll put them right here. Right.
Okay.
Put
Yep.
them on this blue towel. So if you guys can't see it, I've got the tools laid out. I've got majority of some of the tools that I would need to take this thing apart laid out, so it's just easier to get to and whatnot. See, it's all nice. I'm pretty sure, actually, I'm damn sure it's not going to look like this at the end of the night. They'll be scattered all over the place. But you want to try and keep your tools as uniform as possible. And remember, this is my garage, not the shop, so some of these tools might look, little unorthodox, but
It works.
they work. Yeah, they work. Hey, man, you can't say what? How do they say it? A man's only as good as his tools. No, I mean, cavemen were pretty damn good, right?
Right. They got so far.
Yeah.
We're here.
All right, let's get down to taking his battery out. So not all the time is a bike using. See, this is a metric bolt. And you want to take off the negative side of the battery cable first. So, see, if you do this, it doesn't make any sparks. If you went to that side and touched the frame, it would be bad. It's like Ghostbusters, like crossing the beams, streams, beams.
Do not do that.
No.
That's not a good way to start your weekend. So do you normally take a bike on your own, or do you normally do this with someone?
I don't play well with others. Nah, I'm just joking.
Mike tells me that.
He does?
Honey Mike. I've seen you guys on the show.
You talking smack again? Horny Mike. Well, if Mike was here, he'd probably be irritating the hell out of me.
Okay.
Can you go faster? He'd probably be eating and burping and doing, like, not being such a good assistant. So we're just taking off the negative side of the battery. And we like these. It's just, extra battery support. Like
Stop
I said,
rattling.
this was done a long time ago.
And you did this originally?
No.
Oh.
No. I didn't build. I've added a bunch of stuff to this bike.
Right.
But as far as putting the engine in. Oh, by the way, it's an Odyssey battery. These things are awesome. You can mount them upside down, sideways, or whatnot. It's got huge cold cranking amps to start any bike, actually.
Okay, the battery is out.
Battery's out. Just
tidy it up.
Yeah. All the wiring in this thing is probably going to have to be redone. Like I said, And it's all ran through the frame, so, you know, I'm not going to start sawing at it, but whatever has to be cut and redone, we'll cut and redo it. Sound good to you?
Yeah, sounds good to me.
Assistant?
Yes.
Doctor?
Yes,
Doctor?
yes, boss.
Doctor? I'm just cutting plastic ties off and whatnot. So nothing seems to be going through the battery box other than that's just your power cable.
Okay, that's the battery out.
Battery's out. That's out of the way. We can kind of leave this alone. Maybe we'll start from the gas tank.
Okay.
And we'll take off the fender. We'll start taking off body parts. That sounded kind of bad.
Let's do the
Taking off body parts.
on a Friday night in a garage.
What is this, Dexter?
Let's cut the video there, and we'll see you in the next video for taking the gas tank off. See you next time.
Aloha.